Hello CI scholars, I'm Amita More, your science educator, and we are learning topic number 1, changes around us. From that topic, today we are going to learn about solutions. So let's see what is a solution. A solution is formed when two or more substances mix together. When we mix two or more substances, then what is formed? Solution is formed. These substances are evenly distributed in the solution. Now let's see with the help of example. When we mix salt in water, salt completely dissolves in water and we get salty water as solution. So to form salty water or to make salty water, we have used which two substances? Salt and water. And when we mix them together, they form a solution. Now let's see what is solute and solvent. The substances that dissolves is called a solute. The substances in which solute dissolves is called a solvent. Solute plus solvent forms solution. Now here, when we talk about solution, what we have learned that two substances gets mixed together. Fine. So when these two substances mix together, they are forming the solution. So to form a solution, we need a solute and a solvent. So what is the solute and what is the solvent? When we dissolve salt in water or when we dissolve sugar in water. Let's see. Here you can see a picture of glass with water and we are adding salt in it. So here we are adding salt in the water and we are completely dissolving that salt in water. So we are mixing salt with the water. So we can say that here salt is the solute. Why? Because salt is going to get dissolved in the water. So the substance which gets dissolved is called as the solute. So here salt is the solute. And who is the solvent? Yes, water is the solvent because solute is going to get dissolved in water. So we can say that salt is the solute and water is the solvent. So salt plus water forms solution. Let's see with another example. Sugar solution. How to form a sugar solution? For that, we should dissolve sugar in water. So now, if we are adding sugar in water, who is the solute? Yes, sugar is the solute. And where we are going to dissolve the sugar? In water. So water is the solvent. You can see in the diagram, in the first beaker, there is sugar at the bottom and water is there. Fine. So when we stir it, the sugar will get dissolved in water and we will get sugar solution. So here in the sugar solution, sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. And when we mix both them together, we get sugar solution. Now let's see about soluble and insoluble substances. In previous examples, we have seen that sugar and salt get dissolved in water. So, the substances that dissolve in water are called soluble substances. The substances which get dissolved in water. For example, salt, milk, sugar are soluble substances. Now, is it that all the substances they get dissolved in water? No. Substances that do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substances. For example, sand, mud, glass, oil, pebbles are insoluble substances. So, if you put pebbles or if you put glass in the water, glass is not going to get dissolved in water. Why? Because glass is an insoluble substance. Now let's see about the important property of water. Most substances dissolve in water, hence water is called as universal solvent. So, who is called as the universal solvent? Yes, water is called as the universal solvent. Why? Because like salt and sugar, there are most substances which get dissolved in water. Hence, water is called as the universal solvent. So students, I hope you have learned about this solution. What is solute? What is solvent? What is the meaning of soluble and insoluble substances? And why we call water as universal solvent. In next video, we will learn about mixtures. So, you have one activity, very interesting activity. And that activity is you are going to prepare lemonade for your family members. Yes, and to prepare lemonade, what do you require? You require lemons, you require water, you require sugar and a pinch of salt. Yes, but just prepare it with the help of your elder one. You may take help of your elder sister or you may take help of your father or mother. But just prepare it and see how lemon juice, how sugar or salt gets dissolved in the water. Okay, I hope you will make it and you will tell me, yes, that ma'am, we have made the lemonade. Okay, thank you for now. Bye bye.